When you've squeezed all the blood you can from the stones, it's time to get more stones. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. There comes a time when your constraint is maxed out. Uplifting the constraint is, in a strategic context, necessarily an investment decision. If your constraint has been in supply, you will have studied options for new sourcing arrangements and will be ready to invest when the lead time to use the new sourcing matches the peak utilization of the existing supply. If your constraint has been in make, you will have studied options for investments in new capacity at plant, equipment, and people. In the perfect world, you will commission a new capacity the minute your existing capacity can no longer meet the market's needs. If your constraint has been in the marketplace, you will have invested in developing new markets for existing products and services, and new products and services for existing markets. As soon as all the component investments in the value chain are in place, including but not limited to supply, production, distribution, marketing, and sales, you're in a position to uplift the market constraint. To successfully uplift the system constraint, we must develop a project and change management capability. Well-laid plans give the best possible chance of mitigating the inevitable risks of investment. Time spent developing schedules for all phases of the investment will massively improve the chances that the new capabilities will be ready when needed. My course for systems thinkers explores how to think about the use of the 5-step focus for investment decisions. Making the right investment decision at the right time will optimize value delivered from constraints and contribute significantly to consistently delivering high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.